Listen to me. If you are banking with Westpac, or if you have any loved ones who do, you need to stop what you are doing right now and pay close attention. We are talking about your money. The money you worked decades to save. The money that is supposed to secure your retirement, keep a roof over your head, and give you peace of mind. I receive letters every single day from retirees who are absolutely terrified because they went to buy a caravan, downsize their home, or send money to help their grandchildren, and suddenly, boom. The transaction is rejected. The screen says limit exceeded. Instantly, panic sets in. You start asking yourself, where's my money? Has my account been frozen? Have I been scammed? Let's clear up the confusion right now, because ignorance is the single greatest threat to your financial security. When you open a standard retail account online with Westpac, do you know what your default daily payment limit is? It is $750. That's it. $750. Now, if you are just paying your electricity bill or buying groceries, that is fine. But what happens when you need to transfer $50,000 for a major retirement purchase or an emergency? It stops you dead in your tracks. The fear you feel in that moment is completely understandable, but you need to understand why that limit is there. Westpac did not put that $750 default limit there to punish you. They did not put it there to hold your money hostage. They put it there to protect you from the financial predators out there who are waking up every single morning with one goal, to steal your nest egg. If a scammer gains access to your online banking, that $750 limit is a brick wall that stops them from emptying your life savings in 5 minutes. So, do not look at that limit as an inconvenience. Look at it as a financial seatbelt. But here is where the real danger lies, and this is the question you must ask yourself: how do I safely manage this limit when I actually need to move my own money? Westpac allows you to change your daily payment limit. You can do it right inside your online banking or through the Westpac app on your phone. For most personal accounts, you can raise that daily limit up to $50,000 yourself, right from the comfort of your living room. If you need to send an international transfer, the system can accommodate much larger amounts, up to $2 million, but it requires serious security. Now, I want you to listen to me very carefully. Scammers know exactly how Westpac's system works. They know you can go into your app, slide that little bar, and increase your limit to $50,000 in less than 2 minutes. And what are they doing? They are calling you on the phone, pretending to be from the bank, pretending to be from the government, or offering you some guaranteed investment opportunity that sounds too good to be true. They will sit on the phone with you, they will be incredibly polite, and they will coach you step by step on how to log into your Westpac app, raise your daily payment limit, and send them your money. If you do that, your money is gone. And once you authorize that transfer yourself, getting it back is next to impossible. You are handing over your financial freedom on a silver platter. So, how do we handle this like smart, savvy investors who protect what is theirs? Here is your actionable takeaway. If you have an everyday account and you do not anticipate making any massive purchases in the near future, leave your daily payment limit exactly where it is, or keep it at a modest level that covers your normal monthly bills. Do not leave your daily transfer limit sitting at $50,000 just because you can. That is like leaving your front door wide open while you go on vacation. Keep it low. When the day comes that you genuinely need to make a large transfer, say you are paying a contractor for home renovations or buying a vehicle, this is what you do. First, verify exactly who you are sending the money to. Call them on a trusted number to confirm the account details. Never trust an email blindly. Second, log into your Westpac app or online banking. Search for Daily Payment Limit in the search bar, or go to the Service and Preferences menu. Move that slider up to the exact amount you need to complete that specific transaction. Third, make your payment immediately. And fourth, and this is the step that almost everyone forgets, the moment that transaction is processed and confirmed, you go right back into that menu and you slide that daily limit back down to safety. Do not wait until tomorrow. Do not wait until next week. Do it right then and there. Now, what if you need to transfer an amount larger than $50,000? What if you are settling on a property and you need to move $100,000 or $200,000? Do not panic. You can still do it, but you are going to need what Westpac calls an added security measure. For amounts up to $200,000, you must be registered for Westpac Protect SMS codes, which sends a secure, one-time password straight to your mobile phone to verify it is really you. If you are moving massive amounts beyond that, you will need a physical security device called a Secure ID token, or you will need to walk right into a Westpac branch and have them assist you in person. Yes, there might be a $30 assisted fee for doing it in the branch, but when you are moving that much wealth, having a professional double-check the details is worth every single cent. Your financial security in retirement is not defined by how much money you made, it is defined by how well you protect what you keep. Be smart with your digital banking. Use these limits as your shield, stay alert to the red flags, and take control of your financial destiny. You can do this.